Well, the biggest games of the year deserve the best eats.
That's right. Angie Horkan from the Wisconsin Beef Council is here with some tailgating recipes, game day recipes.
Hello.
Hi, Ange.
Hi.
What are you making today?
Okay, so I cut two different kinds of sliders. You know, they're real popular.
Yeah.
Make them in the 9x13 pan. I made them just in a nice throwaway pan, so if you do want to take them out for a tailgate on location, make it kind of easy. You can definitely assemble them ahead and heat them up on an indirect heat on the grill. I did them in the oven, so it's perfect for just that game day if you're not out and about. If
you're not tailgating, you're just at home.
You're not like me, sitting at home watching the games. So yeah, it's
better
perfect.
seat.
Exactly.
You made two different kinds.
So yeah, two different kinds. So I got a cheeseburger kind. So let's assemble those real quick.
Okay.
Super fun because it's all of our cheeseburger flavors that we love. Starting with the little mini Hawaiian buns. So it'll make about 12, and then I'm just going to do some great American cheese on here.
Good stuff.
Oh,
Yeah,
so you don't
good
have to
stuff.
do it on each individual roll.
No,
Yeah,
I
okay.
do 6 slices. It fits nice. It'll melt down, and then you can kind of slice them up between when it's done cooking. Then I just browned up a pound of ground beef, and I actually added some onion powder to it just to give it a little onion flavor.
Okay.
So I didn't add any onion to the cheeseburger. And then I have bacon, so actually it's a bacon cheeseburger. So you can do a couple, like a strip of bacon on each.
That's pre-cooked?
Pre-cooked, I just kind of browned it up, cooked it while I was doing in a second pan while I was doing my ground beef. Okay. Then pickles, of course.
Oh,
Of
yeah,
course,
just,
yeah,
of course, on
Couple
a
pickles on
cheeseburger.
each, right? This is gonna be like fast food, but even better here. And then drizzle with ketchup and mustard, or whatever
you like.
Could put a little mayo on here too, I guess.
Why not?
Yeah, I'm just sticking to the basics. Oops, maybe.
Yeah, we got the idea. There you go.
There we go.
There you go.
And a little mustard.
And then you top
And
it?
yeah, then you can add more cheese. Then you can top them, cover them, 350-degree oven, 15-20 minutes if everything's hot. Like this that I have here, which is cold, I would do more to a half an hour.
And this is the final product?
Yeah, final product.
Oh,
then
look at that.
actually, after you pull the foil off, drizzle with some butter, some sesame seeds, and a little garlic powder. And yeah, it's a perfect little cheeseburger slider.
And everything melts together, and then you can just pull it apart.
Right, and then I've got these steak sliders, so I just use kind of a mini bun from the deli or bakery, and then some top sirloin, caramelized onions, Havarti cheese. Mark, you can give that one a try if you want.
We'll give it
I just heated them up at the
Oh, they smell
office.
so good.
You gotta have little football
Then
plates
this
too.
has-
I know, aren't they cute?
The butter in this one has, it's called a
Thank you.
cowboy butter. So it's got paprika in it, some garlic, zest of a lemon, some lemon juice,
It's really
a
good.
little Dijon, dried thyme. Then you could do some crushed pepper, cayenne pepper, if you don't mind the spice. Parsley, chives. It's got a lot going on in that butter. Kind of gives it a lot of flavor.
There are a lot of flavors in here.
So this
You okay?
one for the kids, and this one for the grown-ups.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. Then your
Good
steak
idea.
will go farther.
Yeah, that's true.
Beeftips.com is our Wisconsin Beef Council website. Click right on as seen on TV, and you'll find these plus some other fun, great tailgating recipes.
Fantastic. How's your son's team doing?
Not so well.
Oh, have another burger.
Yeah,
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
that makes everything better.
Yeah.
Ange, thank you.
Good to see
You're
you.
welcome.